Connect the feeder. Connect the other end of the feeding tube to the feeding port of the screw feeder. Note that the tube needs to be fully inserted into the feeding port of a screw feeder. Use the tool to fix the feeding tube. Connect the screwdriver signal cable to the feeder. Pay attention to the insertion direction. Connect the air out hose of the feeder according to the corresponding color. Connect the product count signal cable. If this function is not used, there is no need to connect this cable.